guys, and I'll get a better thing, but they look pretty badass. Oh, I want to see these things. Alright guys, what is going on? Today's video, we're actually going to be opening, unboxing, and installing a visual mod. I opened them already because I was told to make sure everything was in the box when it came in, but I'm going to show you what's in the box. The good thing about this visual mod is, mine actually, it's like an upgrade. So what we're going to be installing is actually LED fog lights. The good thing is, my stock LED fog lights, one of the brackets actually is broken. Yes, they always worked, but when you're driving on the highway, I always kept them off because the one was broken. It would shake if it hit the wind, and you'd see shaking on, like, you know, billboards and all types of stuff. So it drove me nuts. So I actually kept the fog lights off. But we have new, awesome LED fog lights. I'm going to put a link in the description to the Amazon store company to where you can get these fog lights at. So I'm going to unbox them. I'm going to show you how to install them. I actually took the stock one out already to see how it was. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to get under the truck, show you exactly how easy this is. These are for 2014 and newer Rams. I'll show you which fog lights they are. There's going to be a link in the description to this company and stuff, guys. So what we're going to do is go over here. Actually, I have the stock one, so I'll show you the difference. So let's get the unboxing going, and I'll show you how easy these things are to install, and then we'll take a look at how nice they actually are. I haven't, you know, we're going to have to wait till nighttime to actually do that, but we will get the install going, make sure everything works, and then later, in a little bit later, we'll go outside at night, turn them on, see how bright they are, see how they come out. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. This is actually the stock one. I'll show you what I'm saying, what broke. See here, the bracket actually broke a while ago. What happened was, at work one day, I drove up on a snow pile and it snapped off somehow. Don't know, my own fault. But these are what we're going to be installing. Same bracket, same everything. This is the one that's going to be like this. You should see. Or actually, it might be this one. Yeah, this one's to matching this one. Right here to there. There's got this and this bracket. These come with a little this, but I don't need this because it's going to clip right in to the stock one. As you see, I'm trying to undo this with one hand. I'll get that off with one hand. There we go. But these look really good. I'll be taking the plastic covering off before I put them in. Supposedly these are very bright. Store called 4x4 something. I'm going to put an overlay right now over the over this video, but yeah, it just comes with the two fog lights, guys. Pretty sure you can get them for your, I know you can get them for your Ram, different year model Rams, but check them out and see if they got them for your truck, any vehicle. But let's get these bad boys on. As you can see, these are the stock ones are always clear. Me being all blacked out truck, I chose the black. They have these also in white, clear, whatever you want to call them, but I wanted black because, you know, blacked out truck look really good. As you see here, I jacked up the front a little bit because I'm lowered. I took the fog light out, but we're going to put this in real fast and do the next one. And then at night, later on tonight, I'll turn them on and see how they look. But we will turn them on during the day just to see if everything wires up pretty good. So let's get this one installed, and then we'll go do the next one. All right, guys, we're underneath the truck. Hopefully you can see, but as you can see, the bolt goes there, another one there, and another one down there. It's really only 3 bolts. This should plug right into the stock harness. Should be a very simple setup. Let me get this thing in place. I'm doing this one hand, so I'm going to show you the after. Once I get it in place, I'll show you the bolts and how it bolts up, and then we'll go from the front. It literally just sits in there. Nothing's bolted in yet. I'm just going to do them bolts now. Sorry about the glare. The sun's literally really bad right there. Bolt 1, bolt 2. Bolt 3 is down here. Harness, I'm going to plug that in. We'll do the next one, and then we'll turn them on and make sure everything works really good. So let's bolt this guy up and keep it in place. All right, fellas, 1 down, 1 to go. That quick. 1, 2. This is also a 10mm if you guys wanted to know. This literally clipped right into here, no problems. Let's take a look from the front, see how she looks. Oh, it's pretty badass actually compared to the white. Pretty badass looking. I like it. Black fog lights, pretty cool. Let's get this one going, turn them on, and we'll see how we are. All right, guys, same thing. Well, the wheel was a little more in the way on this one, but it's still only 3 bolts. See if I can hit this with one hand. The electrical plug, done. Bolt 1, 2. Actually, 3's only down here, so I ain't got to go up in there. So let's undo these. I actually use my impact because it's faster. And yeah, just 10mm socket, undo them. It'll plop right out. Put the new one in, plop right in. Instant connection. Okay, guys, fog light number 2 is on. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt. This took literally a minute. Connected it, disconnected. That's all it is. Nothing hard. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get up out from under here. Hopefully everything looks good. Oh, I really like them. They look really pretty badass. Let's so simple too. Such a simple install. Really look good. I like the black, I ain't gonna lie. Tonight it's gonna look good. So we're gonna lower that jack down and turn them on even during the day, and we'll see how she looks. Alright guys, only headlights are on right now. As you can see, no lights are on. Let's see how they look. Push our little fog light button. Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to come back to this at night tonight, guys, and I'll get a better thing, but they look pretty badass. I want to see these things. Also, guys, if anyone knows any headlight guys, real headlights, not just bulbs, I want to see if there's anything that's going to somewhat match these for visual. Trying to get a little more visual in the Ram. Spent all the money in performance with it, as you can see. If you're new to the channel, guys, this is Whipple supercharged. Went to the track last week. Runs an 11.2 in the quarter mile. And yeah, it's the fastest 4-door, 4-wheel drive Ram. I'm pretty sure it's the fastest stock bottom end 4-door Ram. Supercharged NA, doesn't matter, but she's a moving. She's badass. We're gonna come back tonight, guys, to look at the fog lights at night and see how they look. All right, guys, it is dark out now. It's like 8:30 at night. I'm gonna check these fog lights out. See how they are. I want to back up some. Go against the garage. Cool. Start it. Truck's gonna be a little loud, probably, but you know, that's what we like. So, I'm gonna back up some so you can see the regular headlights, and then we're gonna do the fog lights. Yeah, it's pretty good here. Let's check these fog lights out. Oh, wow. The color difference is funny. Look at the difference. Like, bam. Let's check these things out. So far, cool. Yeah, they're bad. They are really, really badass as hell looking. They are awesome looking. See if I can get a little. I'm gonna try and wipe the screen, fellas, so you can get a little bit better of a picture here. Less smear. It's at night, so it's hard. But yeah, I really like them. I love the LED look. You may not be able to tell too much through the camera, guys. I'm looking to get matching headlights, some kind of LED, maybe even LED bulbs. I gotta hit up a company. They may want to send me some, but I really want to get an entire housing headlight, like LED, like something completely different. But we may have to just go with some LED bulbs for now. Yeah, I'm liking it, man. I haven't had fog lights on in a while because, like I said, I had the bracket broken and I didn't like it. But now that thing looks badass as hell at night. I love it. Oh my god, it smells like straight MS 109 in here. awesome, fellas. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, man. Glad I could get this product out and show you guys. I definitely say, hell yeah, I recommend these things all day long, guys, because these are really cool, really bright. I really like them. I'd recommend them to anybody. I'm glad I got a pair of them. Link in the description to the store that has them. They're not that expensive at all, very reasonably priced, and they got other options too. They got them in, I think, clear. They got other fog lights for other year Rams, but 14, and I think 14 started this, and maybe 13 that has the vertical fog lights. But that's what we got, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
Smash!